One to go. Sarfraz on strike. And that's that. And that is that. Take a bow, captain. That is an astonishing innings under pressure. He has played so well. He looks as calm as you like. He really does. What a great game of cricket we've seen. It's an excellent pitch. It was set up beautifully as well. An excellent run chase, 200 runs. That is the twice now that they've done that in a couple of games. I'm not sure that's been beaten before, but they are some team. Yeah, Umar Akmal, take a bow as well, because you're 23.